Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will see some gate previous problems on the concept of harmonic conjugate function. Okay, so I have explained you clearly the concept of how to solve this type of problems in my previous video. Okay, so if you have not seen that video, please go back to that video. I'm giving you the link of the description, that is channel playlist link in the description, so you can go from there. You can see the video of harmonic conjugate function. Okay, and then come back here in order to understand the problems here, right? We'll solve the first question now. So in the first question he has given v is equal to r square sine 2 theta minus 3, and you are asked to find harmonic conjugate function. That is, if f of z is equal to u plus iv, he is giving you the imaginary part and he is asking you to find the real part, because u and v, real part and imaginary part of this function, analytic function f of z, are said to be harmonic conjugate functions. Harmonic conjugate function. Okay, so if you are given with if you are given with v and you are asked to find its corresponding harmonic conjugate function, that means you have to find the value of the function u. Okay, right. So how you are going to solve this? Is du. So you need to find u. So it is u r dr plus u theta d theta. Okay, but from Cauchy-Riemann equations, what is ur? Ur is equal to 1 by r into v theta. Okay, so ur is equal to 1 by r into v theta, and vr is equal to minus 1 by r into u theta. That is, u theta is equal to minus r vr. Okay, substituting these two equations in this. So du can be written as, in the place of ur you can write it as 1 by r into v theta, because we know only the function v here. 1 by r into v theta into dr plus u theta. U theta is minus r vr into d theta. Okay, so this is the formula, or this is what you have to substitute first. So first of all we have to find v is equal to r square sine 2 theta minus 3 he has given. So first of all vr is dou v by dou r. When you are finding with respect to r, this sine 2 theta is a constant, so I am writing outside sine 2 theta into dou by dou r of r square is 2r. Okay, so you'll get 2r into sine 2 theta. Similarly v theta, so dou v by dou theta. When you are doing with respect to theta, r square is a constant, so it will be r square only, and dou by dou theta of sine 2 theta is 2 cos 2 theta. 2 cos 2 theta. So 1 by r into v theta is 1 by r into r square into 2 cos 2 theta. So 1 r gets cancelled, so it will be 2r cos 2 theta. So in the place of this you can write 2r cos 2 theta dr, right? R into VR we need, so we need R into VR. So from this equation, so R into VR is 2r square sine 2 theta. 2r square sine 2 theta. So it will be plus minus 2r, because it is a minus sign, so I am writing the same minus sign here. 2r square into sine 2 theta d theta. So this is your du. Okay, so once you got this, what is the formula for finding u? As I have told you, integral of ur dr, okay, treating theta as constant, plus terms independent of r in minus r vr d theta plus c. Okay, plus c, right? So in the place of ur you can substitute with 1 by r v theta also. So integral this is ur, okay, or 1 by r v theta from Cauchy-Riemann equations. You can call it as ur or you can call it as 1 by r v theta. So it will be 2r cos 2 theta into dr plus terms independent of r. So there is no term which is independent of r, okay. This only one term is present and it is depending on r, okay. There is no term, so it will be 0 into d theta plus c. So 0 into d theta is anyhow 0, so you can neglect this term. So it will be 2, so integration is with respect to r, so 2 cos 2 theta, both these terms are constants, so you can write outside 2 cos 2 theta into integral r dr plus c. So it will be u is equal to 2 cos 2 theta into, this will be r square by 2 plus c. This 2 gets cancelled, so u is equal to r square cos 2 theta plus c. Okay, so this is your harmonic conjugate function, right? So this is the procedure. First of all, what you have to do is you have to write this form, okay, as I have explained you in the procedure also in the previous video. So du is equal to this, and you have to substitute these Cauchy-Riemann equations because you are not given with u, you are given with only v. So substitute that, and this is the formula. This is the formula which you have to keep in mind, right? You have to remember this formula, or you can have an idea how to write this equation, okay. And then just substituting that, you will get the u value, that is harmonic conjugate function for the given imaginary part, okay. So this is the real part of the f of z, okay. So next we'll solve one more question on previous gate problem on the same concept, harmonic conjugate function only. So this question is asked in GATE 2004 for mechanical branch. So in this question he has given that an analytic function of a complex variable z is expressed as f of z is equal to u of xy plus I into v of xy, and he has given you the real part and asked you to find the imaginary part, okay. Procedure is same. So du is equal to ux dx plus uy dy, but from Cauchy-Riemann equation, sorry, you have to find v, no. So dv is equal to vx dx plus vy dy. So but from Cauchy-Riemann equations, ux is equal to vy and vx is equal to minus uy. So in the place of vx, in the place of this vx, you can substitute it minus uy dx plus vy can be substituted with ux dy. Okay, so now u is given as x square minus y square. So dou u by dou x, which is ux, is given by 2x. Dou u by dou y, which is uy, is given by minus 2y. Okay, so these are the values which you have got. So minus uy is 2y, minus of minus 2y, so it will be 2y dx plus ux is 2x into dy, this is dv. So therefore v is equal to integral of 2y dx, treating y as constant, plus integral of terms independent of x in vy dy plus c. So treating y as constant, so treating y as, suppose if you take a normal formula, if you write vx, this one, so this is 2y dx plus terms independent of x in vy. So only one term is present in vy, that is 2x. It is depending on vx, sorry, it is depending on x. So there is no term which is independent of x. Okay, so there is no term independent of x, so we can write 0 dy plus c. Okay, so it implies v is equal to, so 2y is a constant because integration is with respect to x, 2 is a constant and y is also a constant. So that is what we have written here, y is constant. So 2y if you take outside, so it will be 1 dx plus c. So v is equal to 2y into integral of 1 dx is x plus c. So the answer is 2xy plus c. That is the imaginary part of f of z. So correct option is option C. Okay, so this is how we can find any value. So if you are given with imaginary part, you can find the real part. If you are given with real part, you can find the imaginary part. Okay, right, we'll see one more problem which is of the same type. This is GATE 2009 problem asked for mechanical engineering. Okay, so same, he has given with u and asked to find the v value. So u he has given as xy, so I am finding ux. When you are differentiating dou u by dou x, so when you are differentiating with respect to x, y is a constant, so you'll get dou by dou x of x. So this value is 1, so you'll get y. Uy, you'll get x. So we know that in order to find v, so it is vx dx plus vy dy. So what is, from the Cauchy-Riemann equation, ux is equal to vy and vx is equal to minus uy. So in the place of vx we can substitute with minus uy. Uy is x, so we'll get minus x dx plus vy. In the place of vy you can substitute with ux. Ux value is y, so y dy. This is same. So v is equal to integral minus vx dx, treating y as constant, okay, plus terms independent of x, in vy dy plus c. So integral of vx we have got it as minus x dx plus terms independent of x. So we have only one term and it is not containing any x value, so this is the term which contains y only. It is independent of x, it is satisfied, so independent of x only because it is not having any x term, so it will be y dy, terms independent of x in vy. So this is the term which is independent of x, so y dy plus c. So this will be minus x square by 2 because integral of x dx is x square by 2, so you have a negative sign, so you'll get this, plus this is y square by 2 plus c. This is v. So or v can be written as y square minus x square by 2 plus c. Okay, so this is the answer. So correct option is option C. Okay, so next we'll solve one more problem. So this is GATE 2010 problem asked for production and industrial engineering. So in this he has given you the real part and asked you to find the imaginary part, that's all. Okay, so I'm taking it as v, standard notation, so you can take phi or v, no problem. Vx dx plus vy dy, but from Cauchy-Riemann equations ux is equal to vy and vx is equal to minus uy. So minus uy dx plus vy, in the place of vy you can write it as ux dy. So u we have got or given as 3xy square. So we need dou u by dou x, that is ux is given by, so d by dx of x cube is 3x square minus 3y square. 3y square is a constant, so you'll get dou by dou x of x which is equal to 1, so you'll get 3y square only. Next is dou u by dou y, which is uy. So when you are doing with respect to y, this is a constant, so its value is 0, so you'll get minus 3x into dou by dou y of y square. So dou by dou y of y square is minus 3x into 2y, so it will be minus 6xy. Okay, so but we need minus uy, so minus of minus 6xy is 6xy dx plus ux. Ux is 3x square minus 3y square dy. This is v. So v is given by integral of 6xy dx, treating y as constant. So I'm writing directly plus terms independent of x. So if you observe here, so first term contains x value, that is it is a function of x, it is depending on x. So if you see the second term, there is no x term here. Okay, so this term is independent of x. So along with the sign I am writing, so minus 3y square, this is the term which is independent of x into dy plus c. Okay, so when you take y as constant, you can write 6 and y outside the integration, so it becomes 6y x dx plus minus 3 you can write outside the integration, it will become y square dy plus c. So it implies v is equal to 6y into x dx. Integral of x dx is x square by 2, x square by 2, minus 3 into integral of y square is y cube by 3 plus c. 3 gets cancelled, 2 1s are 2 3s are. So v is equal to 3x square y minus y cube plus c. So in the options he has not considered any constant here, so only this is going to be v. So option B is correct. Okay.